Good day, everyone. I am Matthew Quinones,
I am Raika Marie Mercado.
And I am Joseph Richard Dabar.
and today we are presenting our ACI Figma Flow project entitled UCore, a gamified AI powered mental health and self care support application for UCLM students. This study is designed to cater to college students of the University of Cebu, Lapu-Lapu, and Mandaue, particularly those experiencing stress, anxiety, and emotional fatigue caused by academic, social, and personal pressures. Now, many students struggle to maintain their mental well being due to limited access to support systems, fear of stigma, and lack of engaging wellness tools. To address these challenges, we propose UCore, a gamified and AI powered mobile application that provides an accessible, engaging, and student centered platform for emotional well being. The primary objective of UCore is to help students improve their mental health by encouraging consistent self-care practices through interactive design while ensuring privacy, ethical boundaries, and usability. Now I will pass on the presentation to Joseph, who will discuss the prototype design and user interface based on our Figma flow.
Thank you, Matthew. This is the Figma prototype of UCore, which demonstrates the overall user flow and interaction design of the application. The welcome screen introduced the app's identity and reinforced its purpose through the tagline, Wellness is the real endgame. The interface follows user centered design principles using a clean layout, calming color palette, and intuitive navigation to reduce cognitive and emotional overload, an important factor in mental health and applications. UCore integrates game like elements such as daily wellness challenges, progress tracking, badges, and mood strikes. These features are designed to motivate students to engage consistently with the application with promoting healthy routines. The system allows account registration, mood journaling, emotional trend summaries, personalized self care suggestions, and regular wellness reminders. Overall, the prototype focuses on accessibility, clarity, and emotional comfort, ensuring that students feel safe and supported while using the application. I will now turn the presentation over to Raika Mercado, who will explain the AI powered features, limitation, and significance of the study.
Thank you, Joseph. So, one of the core features of UCore is its AI-powered chatbot, which provides non-clinical conversational support based on pre-programmed responses aligned with cognitive behavioral therapy or CBT principles. So, this chatbot offers empathetic guidance and emotional support anytime and anywhere, while clearly maintaining that it is not a replacement for professional counseling or psychological treatment. So, in terms of system scope, administrators have limited access, such as account validation and monitoring app usage patterns. So, to ensure ethical boundaries and user privacy, administrator cannot access private chat logs, modes, entries, or journal content. So, while UCore is designed as a supportive help tool, it has several limitations. So it cannot provide clinical diagnosis or intervention, relies on honest user input, and requires a stable internet connection for full functionality. Additionally, the application is specifically tailored for UCLM students and may not yet be applicable to other institutions. Despite these limitations, the study is significant to multiple stakeholders. For students, UCore offers a personalized and stigma-free wellness platform. For school administrators or counselors, it serves as complementary tool to existing mental health programs. For researchers and futures, contributes contributes insights into the integration of gamification and AI and digital mental health support. So in conclusion, UCore aims to promote emotional awareness, encourage healthy routines, and support student well-being through thoughtful interaction design and technology.
All right, now once again, we will be presenting UCore, the app that combines activity tracking, journaling, meditation, workouts, AI support, and gamification, following human-computer interaction principles such as usability, accessibility, consistency, and user engagement. Now, let's get started.
So, with our leading, understand yourself, track your mood, thoughts, and habits with simple daily check ins. With our leading, it really explains the purpose of our application because with this leading, understand yourself, guided support, build healthy patterns, grow at your pace. It symbolizes that um, you as a user, you have to grow and strengthen your mind. And of course, it also follows to the healthy patterns that you have and also with your grow at pace. Next is creating an account. With our registration form, we just use phone number, password, ID number, and of course, to confirm your password. It's simply because we really value confidentiality of the students because it is mental health. So with the phone number itself, it really gives the student security for their information that it is really confidential. So when when you click the full name, we insert pod ang full name, and of course phone number, password, ID number, password. So by continuing, we have to read first the privacy policy and terms of use. Next is register. So upon registering, we have to finish setting up our profile first because it really matters sa sa application. It's because we admins want to know your gender, date of birth, relationship status if you are single, widowed, and so on. Living situation if you are living alone, living with your family, and so on. It is really important feature in our application since it is we are talking about mental health and of course with the living situation if you are living alone, we can really give you an advice on how to cope up with the things that you need as an independent individual. So next, please.
After once you're done logging in, after making your account, you are shown the experiences or emotional concerns that we can possibly help you with. Whereas it's either stress, anxiety, depression, difficulty in sleeping, or mood swings. Once you've chosen that, we are going to ask you for any of the possible coping strategies or self-care methods that you have mayhaps done already or tried. Whereas we have journaling, meditation or deep breathing, talking to a friend or counselor, physical exercise, playing games to relax, or whether or not you're not using any of these strategies. Along with along with questions of whether or not you're taking medications related to either your mental or emotional health, or does any of these past experiences that may have impacted your emotional well-being, to where it's either bullying, academic pressure, family-related stress, or social anxiety. And lastly, what motivates you to use this wellness app, which are just some questions to where to either it's to improve your mental wellness, to track your emotions, feel even happier or more relaxed, earn rewards through the games, and build healthy habits or other reasons that you can specify.
Thank you, Matthew. And yeah, that is really important in our application because that really completes to your profile to to we admin to know you better. So, um, once we finish the registration form, we're not going to log in our account. So this is our account 0505.
And just like that, welcome to UCore. We're here to guide you in building healthy mental habits and coping strategies. So let's start by understanding where you are so we can create a personalized experience just for you. Now, after logging in, users are directed to the home dashboard, which serves as a general navigation point of the app, to where the first home modules include the daily activity tracker, the mindful journaling, guided meditation, and wellness workout. Now, each module is presented using card-based layouts, icons, and call to action buttons, ensuring intuitive navigation and visual consistency.
Now let's start with our daily activity tracker. With our daily activity tracker, the activity tracker allows user to monitor their daily habits and the wellness progress. It displays visual charts, graphs, and a calendar to show completed activities and trends over time. These features um, supports self-awareness and helps user understand their routines while following the HCI principle of visibility of system status. So once we click this button weekly, we will now see the features of our activity tracker. View progress. This is the calendar of the mindful journaling. So you can track your session for the journaling, guided meditation, wellness workout, and of course, your UCore game. So let's try with the mindful journaling. So if you are done for today's journal, you can just um, you can have okay wait. So here you go. So this is the calendar of mindful journaling in and so if you want to journal for today, just click start journaling and this is the journal section. The ICT Congress, Comprog 2, Digilog, to-do list, Mr. Crush Case, Cake, study tips. These are the journals progress that you have. Now, the journaling module enables user to express thoughts and emotion through guided prompts and for writing, user can select different journaling categories and save entries for reflection. Next is the guided meditation. With the guided meditation, this feature offers guided meditation content, including audio session and calming visual. So, welcome to your meditation space. Relax, reset, recharge. This promotes relaxation while maintaining a simple and distraction free interface for better user interface. So, just click for your desire places, sounds. So, it's really up to you. So, this is the example of our meditation. Click done if you are done journaling. So next feature is wellness workout. The workout module provides guided wellness exercise with step-by-step instructions and illustrations. User can view exercise details, progress through workouts, and complete session easily. These features support physical well-being while maintaining clarity, consistency, and accessibility. Cobra stretch, and we have um, here once you once you're done with wellness workout, you can now earn your badges. You have 5 star, I mean 6 stars. Take a moment to enjoy this achievement. You did amazing. So with these 6 stars, you can um, you can have this with your profile. That's it. So now your progress 7 of 7. Next is ah we're done with our home features. Now let's go with our UCore games.
Gamification module. So to increase engagement, UCore includes a gamification module where users can participate in simple mini games and earn rewards. User gain points, stars, or badges by completing activities such as journaling, meditation, and workouts. So the gamified experience motivates user through positive reinforcement, making self-care enjoyable rather than stressful.
We have prepared two games here, being Whack-A-Mole and Wordscapes. On the Whack-A-Mole section, we have a basically the game of Whack-A-Mole. You hit some things and then you score points depending on how much you've hit within the given time. This specific game or activity helps with distressing mainly because you ever just have that that feeling where you just want to hit something, vent your anger, or maybe your stress out. This is precisely the game which can help you with that. Its mechanics are awfully very simple, to where the objective is to simply hit. The how to play is very intuitive, and as for the scoring, you just try to hit as much as you can, and then their behavior is that they once you've hit them, they will randomly rise back up for you to hit again. And that's about it for our Whack-A-Mole game.
Thank you, Matthew. And now let's go with the most important part of our UCore application. Let's go to our social space. I really love this part because the user can really express um, their their life, the event that is happening to their life. So with our social space, it really designed to um, to the people who value confidentiality. because with our social space, we we use the user ID as their username. So the user for the post number one is 2550789 So I don't know who's this person because um, only user ID is visible to his profile. Same as with the user number two. So with our user number three is she's using her real identity, Raika Lear. So with this social space, we really value confidentiality for the students. So, do you really believe that confidentiality is important for you, Matthew? It's important or not?
Well, yes, of course, Joseph. The big difference being is that people aren't really much, well, confident or more likely to open about their personal feelings compared to other people, which is seen from user 1 and user 2, and we have user 3 to which we can see that they may have even opened up more, recovered a little bit more from their stress, maybe their like inner problems, to whereas they are more than willing to share not only their name but also their experiences in life.
Exactly. Now let's go with. Anyways, thank you, Matthew. Let's go with our AI.
So AI support features. UCore also integrates an AI chat assistant that allows users to ask questions, express feelings, or seek guidance. So the AI provides supportive responses in a conversational format, helping users feel heard while maintaining privacy and accessibility. So these features follows HCI principles of user control, feedback, and responsiveness.
Now let's go with our profile. Um, this is really important also because you can see here your account, personal data, achievement, activity history, mental health progress, and also with your notifications, contacts, privacy policy, settings, and the logout button. With our profile, um, it is connected to the login. So with our login, it's um, login form. In connection with our login form is the leading, where we ask question about your status, if you are in a relationship, single, widowed, married, and of course if you are also living alone, living with your family, or living with your friends. So we can see it in your profile. So in our profile, you can edit your profile picture. So we use anime, username, date of birth, wellness profile, and also gender. So next is the privacy and policy. So with our privacy and policy, it is really important also with the profile because it stated the terms of use also for the user. So we collect your information, wellness and mental health data, about your mood check-ins, stress levels, selected emotional concerns, journaling entries, coping strategies, self-care activities completed, and of course, this information is includes with the system. So it also explains the usage of the data about the login timestamps, game process, points and rewards, features access, and how we use your information to personalize your wellness recommendations. So with the data protection also, it stated that we secure server access, regular system. So with our privacy and terms of use, it is really important for the user to know um, his or her responsibility as a user. So with our profile, it is the core cent- the core of the everything, the core of the everything, and these features is really important among the rest. So this is the logout button. So we're back again with our login section.
And now that pretty much concludes our system. UCore is designed to promote holistic wellness by combining mental, emotional, and physical tools in one platform. Now, by applying the human computer interaction principles, the app ensures the ease of use, engagement, and accessibility for all the users. Once again, from all of us, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.